Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video let us see few more questions based on complex numbers. So how to express this in the form of a plus ib form. So we are gonna see three questions in this video. So let us get started. So the first question here is I power n plus I power n plus 1 plus I power n plus 2 plus I power n plus 3. So here what we can do is we can take I power n as common. 1 plus I plus I square plus I cube. I power n into 1 plus I square is minus 1, and this is minus 1 into I, because here it can be written as I into I square. So here I square would be minus 1 into I is minus I. So I power n 1 plus I minus 1 minus I, this would be equal to 0, because here this and this would get cancelled, because I minus I is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, so anything into 0 is 0. So this can be written as in this form. So this is our first question. Now let us see our second question, which is 1 by 3 plus 3i whole cube. Now this answer would be 0i plus 0. So let us see our second question. This is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, which is a plus b whole cube. So a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now 1 by 27 plus 27i cube plus 3 into 1 by 9 into 3i plus 3 into 1 by 3 into 9i square. So let us try to solve this. This would be equal to 1 by 27 plus 27 into I square is minus 1 into I is minus I, plus 3 1s are 3 3s are, this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled, so remaining is I. This and this would get cancelled, so 9 minus 1, I square is minus 1. Yeah, so when I solve this further, it is 1 by 27 plus, okay, not plus, this will become minus 27i plus I minus 9. So this term would be minus 26i. So 1 by 27 minus 9 minus 26i. It would be 1 minus 243 by 27 minus 26i, which is, this term would be minus 242 by 27. So therefore minus 242 by 27 minus 26i. So this is our second question answer, which is minus 242 by 27 minus 26i. Now let us see our third question. 1 minus I whole power 4. So 1 minus I whole power 4 can be written as this. So this is a minus b whole square, a square minus b square, a square plus b square minus 2ab whole square. So minus 1 plus 1, here it is minus 1 minus 2y whole square, plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, minus 2y whole square, which is 2 square is 4 and I square is minus 1. Therefore the answer is minus 4 plus 0i. Yeah, so we have solved 3 questions in this video, and if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Stay tuned for more videos like this.